Building a new home sounds simple. Pick a plan, sign papers, wait for construction. But the reality is, there are actually 7 stages to building a home, and most buyers only know about 3. The surprise stages are where stress usually shows up. I'm Craig Hudkins with Real Broker in Spokane Valley. I help buyers understand the new construction process before they start. Follow for practical guidance on buying or building a new home. Let's walk through the real 7 stages of building so you know what actually happens behind the scenes. This happens before anything gets built. Financing, budget clarity, lot selection, builder selection, initial planning. This stage determines how smooth everything else will be. Most construction stress actually starts here, not during the build. Buyers who rush to this stage often spend the rest of the process fixing decisions. Buyers who take their time here usually have a smoother experience later. This is where excitement meets reality. You're choosing layout options, structural upgrades, finishes, features. This is also where timelines can shift. Why? Because decisions affect plans. Plans affect approvals. Approvals affect build scheduling. The more complex the selections, the more coordination required. This isn't bad. It just means customization requires planning. This is the quiet stage. Nothing like this happening, but a lot is happening. Plans are reviewed, permits are issued, schedules are coordinated, trades are lined up. This stage can take time depending on city requirements, jurisdiction, backlog, engineering approvals, and utility coordination. This is the stage that surprises buyers the most because it feels invisible. Now things finally look like construction. Excavation, foundation, framing. You can finally see your new home take shape. This is also when timelines can be affected by weather, inspections, and trade schedules. Again, normal, not negative. This is when the home gets its infrastructure. Electrical, plumbing, HVAC, insulation, drywall. You may not see dramatic visual progress during this phase, but this is where the quality of construction really matters. These systems are what make a home comfortable, efficient, and functional long-term. This is when the home starts to feel real. Flooring, cabinetry, fixtures, paint, trim, lighting. This stage moves faster visually, but still requires coordination. Inspection, scheduling, final installations. This is where patience pays off, because small details take time to complete correctly. This is the stage everyone looks forward to. Final inspections, touch-ups, walkthrough, closing. This stage is about making sure everything is complete, functional, and ready. It's not about rushing to the finish line. It's about finishing well. Here the big takeaway most buyers don't hear. Building a home isn't a single event. It's a sequence. Each stage builds on the one before it. And when buyers understand the sequence, they stop worrying about timing, because now they understand progress. Stress usually comes from uncertainty. Confidence comes from clarity. That's why understanding the stages changes everything. I help Spokane buyers navigate new construction, step by step, so they can always know what stage they're in, what comes next, and what decisions matters most. Follow for more honest new construction guidance, and if you're thinking about building, reach out. I can help you map out the timeline before you start.